JavaScript comparison operators. Voice is clear? Yes. Now, comparison operators equal to equal value and equal type also. It is not available in previous, that is C, C++. Okay. Now, next one is not equal value or not equal type, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and ternary operator. These are the comparison operators. We will see program on each. Now, comparison operators. See, script started line number 4. Variable is declared val a equal to 10, val b equal to 20. Used document dot write statement. So result, I will compare the value a is equal to b, condition is 2, no. So it will return the value and that will be displayed. Okay. First, we will see first. See, first one is false because a is not equal to a equal to b, condition is false. Okay. Now I will continue further. Next one, again value is same, a is equal to 10, b equal to 20, value is not changed. So a is less than b, condition is true. So you will get the result as true. Okay. Then next one, a is greater than b, a greater than b, condition is false. So you will get an output as false. See here, first one false, a less than b, condition is true, a greater than b, condition is false. Now next, we will check whether a not equal to b, condition is true, correct? Because a is 10 and b is 20. A not equal to b, yes, it equal to, yes, condition is true. So you will get output as a true. Line number 23. I'm saying, see the output. Yes, a not equal to b, condition is true. Then next one. Next one is a greater than or equal to b, condition is checked. 10 is greater or equal to b, condition is false. So you will get output as false, as a false. Next, a a less than or equal to b, condition is true. So you will get output as true. Here, last statement is true. Okay, so all statement I explain you how it is true or how it is false. Okay, doubt in this program, any doubt? code is visible, no doubt. Okay. Now, next one, bitwise operator. A bitwise operator work on 32-bit numbers. Any number, if sorry, any numeric operand in operation is converted into 32-bit number. The result is converted back to JavaScript number. Now see, numbers are specified here. A uh, or first number is 5, second number is 1, and operators. These are the operators and description. First one is and. Now, when it is an operand 5 and 1, we can write as 5. How we will write 5? 0, 1, 0, 1, because it is in binary. In binary, it is written as 0, 1, 0, 1, and 1 is written 0, 0, 0, 1. And I want to do ampersand, that is or, sorry, and. Now, and means when both digits are 1, then 1, otherwise 0. So 1, 1, so 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, sorry, 0, 0, 0. So you will get output as only 0, 0, 0, 1, and decimal output is 1. Next one, odd. Pipeline symbol or same 5 or 1. Input is same. Now see, 0, 0 is 0, 0, sorry, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So you will get output in decimal as 5. Next one, uh, not, tilde sign 5. So not, your input is 0, 1, 0, 1. So 0 is converted into 1. 1 is converted to 0. So first 0, 0, 1 becomes 0. 0 becomes 1. 1 becomes 0. 0 becomes 1. So you will get output 1, 0, 1, 0. That is 10. Now next one, XOR. Uh, XOR 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1. When both are equal, then you will get output and 1. So here 0 output you will get 0, 1, 0, 0. That is your decimal number 4. Now next one is left shift. Left shift, that is a 0 fill left shift. So what happened? Number is 0, 1, 0, 1 shifted by 1. So this one, 0, 1 is shifted to left. Next one, here, this one is shifted to left side, and here 0 is inserted. So 1 is shifted left, then 0 is shifted left. Next is 1. 1 is shifted left. So you will get output and 0 is inserted at first position. So output will be 1010. That is 10. Then right shift, sign live shift. So uh, 1. 1 is shifted to right side. So it is vanished. So 0 is inserted. This 1 is shifted to right. Next 1 is shifted right. 0 is shifted right. And 1 and 0 is inserted. So you will get output as 0010. That is 2. Then uh, 0 field right shift, output will be same because 0 is inserted at the last position. Here, so we will see program on that. Number is display different. A is A is 2. See, I started my step where A equal to 2, B equal to 2, 3. Its representation 2 is represented as 0010 and B is represented as 0011. So, uh, see the result A. So, uh, A, A or B. So, it is 0, 1, 0, 0. So, you will get output as 2. See the result? Yes. See, result is 2. Correct? Then we will see next one. Next one. Same. Input is same. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So output you will get 0, 0, 1, 1. See the output? You are getting output? Yes. 3. 3 means 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Then next one is X1. So you will get output as when both are 1, then you will get output. Then next one is click sign, that is not. So uh, you are specifying more only one opponent, that is A. So A result A. A is value of A is 2. So 2 is 0010, and when you are saying I want to do not, so it will be 1011. So what is that? See the result here. You will get output here. Line number 22. In line number 22, you will get result in negative. Hmm. negative number. Then left shift, left shift, 2 shifted to left side. So you'll get output as 4. Sorry, you'll get output as 4. And when same thing, 2 shifted to right side, you'll get output as 1. Output as 1. So these are the bitwise operators. Okay, bitwise operators. Doubt? Then continue ahead. Conditional operator. Okay. Bitwise operator. Conditional operator first evaluated an expression for true or false value and then execute one of the two conditions depending on result of the evaluation. Same thing in CL2 we have if condition is true, it will check the condition. If the condition is true, it will result become the value of the expression x. Otherwise, otherwise value y output you will get. So if condition is true, then result is x. Otherwise y. The operation see uh, body is started here. All variable declaration and all things are allowed. So variables are declared where a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Now document dot write a equal to 10, uh, a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Now condition is checked. Here condition is checked. A is equal to b. 10. 10 is greater than b. Condition is false. So output expression is y. That will be output. Okay. See here. A is greater than b. Condition is false because 10 is greater than 20. Condition is false. So second expression will be output, that is 20. A equal to 10, b equal to 20. So A less than B. Yes, condition is 2. So first expression will be output. So first expression result is 100. So output will be 100. This way your conditional operator work. Again, line number 11 continue. A is less than 5. Sorry, A is less than B. Condition is true. So this is expression result, that is 100. So output you will get a 100. Doubt? Continue. Okay, I will continue now. Next one is type of operator. Type of operators. Type of operator is a unary operator. That means it requires only one operand. Okay, that is placed before its single operand, which can be of any type. Its value is string indicating data type of operand. How it is just the type of operator evaluates to either number, string, or boolean. If its operand is number, string, or boolean value and return true or false based on the evaluation. How it is just the uh, type of operand. Your input may be number, string, boolean, object, function, undefined, or null. Then it will return the uh, result. String return by type of either number, string, and so on. Okay. We will take example. Step started. A is 10, B is a string. That is one is integer, one is string. Now I will check type of. So type of B. Type of B is what? String. If it is a string, it will return B is a string. Otherwise, B is a numeric. So you will get output as a string. See, A is 10, B is string. So you will get output as a string because we are checking one type of B. String B is what? B is string. So result will be string. Second, line number 11, type of A. What is A? A is an integer. So A equal to string. Type of type of A equal to string? No, it is not the string. It is a numeric. So you will get output as numeric. Correct? Correct? A. A is an integer. B is the string. So you will get output as a numeric. I think type of operator is clear. Type of operator is clear. Any doubt? Okay. Continue. Then we will go to next statement, that is a control flow statement. Control flow. Number of statements are there and that will decide which statement should be evaluated. So one, switch, a block of statement in which evaluation of the code depends upon different cases. if else, while, do while, for loop, for in, continue. Okay. So we will see one by one. First one, JavaScript step switch statement. JavaScript switch statement. Use the switch statement to select one of many code blocks to be executed. Syntax is switch expression. Switch expression. Number of statements are there. Case X. Number of blocks. Number of statements. Break. Case Y. Number of statements. Break. Default code block. So how it works? The switch expression is evaluated once. See, the expression is evaluated once. The value of expression is compared with value of each case. Okay, if there is a match, a associated block of the code is evaluated. If there is no match, default code is executed. This way, your switch work. Break, break keyword. When JavaScript reaches a break keyword, it breaks out the switch block. Okay, this way your break work. Now, switch statement. Title, body are in that switch statement specified. Then my script starts. Now code uh, for sorry where code is where grade equal to a document dot write uh, grade is plus grade. This is the way of writing the statement. Okay. Now I want to display output all value of a grade. So plus grade. So output will be grade is say A, grade is B, whatever is there. Now, uh, now document dot write break. See here now, this break is written in double quotation. Okay, because it is not a uh, JavaScript code. It is a HTML code. So as it is a HTML code, we have to write in double quotation. If you directly write break, it would create a error. Okay. So break entering block switch block. Now see the code switch grade. Now case A document dot write good job, then break. Case B document dot write pretty good, break. Then case C document dot write past br break. Case D document dot right, not so good, break, case the F document dot right, failed, break, default document dot right, unknown grade document dot right, exiting switch block. Just see here, I said that grade is A. So you'll get a message that entering a switch block, good job, exiting switch block. Okay. Now I want to check the values or change the value. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. No. So I will try doubt type of operators. All operators, I should explain all operators attendance. Yes. Okay. My all operators you want. Okay. In a short, I will try to explain. First one is arithmetic operators. Plus, minus, multiply, divide, exponential, division, modulo, increment, decrement. These are the arithmetic operators on that program. Okay. Uh, program C plus operator here. Uh, here what way you want set type of operator, not program. Okay. Type of operators are arithmetic operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, exponential, increment, decrement. Okay. Now next one is string in that plus concatenation operator, then assignment operator. Assignment operators are plus, plus equal, minus equal, star equal, divide equal, uh, modulo equal, and exponential equal. Along with that, logical and, or, and not. Next, assignment operators. Assignment operators program. Then logical operator, just now said. Then comparison operators. Equal, that is double equal, three equal, not equal, not two equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and ternary operator. Then bitwise operator. Bitwise operator ampersand uh, pipeline symbol or all or not XOR left shift, right shift, and zero build. The next one is ternary operator and type of operators. These are the types of operators. Clear? Clear your doubt? Okay. Continue further. Yes. The next one is your control statements and one is switch. Now switch. Now here, see, if case is grade is A, you'll get output. But I want to check for other, so I have to go to program. So I will try to do it whether it is possible to open notepad. I will try that first. Switch. Just wait for the 2 minutes. Opening notepad file, switch statement. JavaScript. Yeah, break. Sorry. Uh, switch. Switch. Okay. Can you able to see this code also? Can you able to see my notepad code so that I can do modification and you can able to see the output? Yes, good. Now see, I want to do changes. Instead of A, I want to make it say D. Okay. And again I have to save the program and run the same program again. Okay. So now you will get the output as not the good. Got? So now see what I did. My code is already written. I modified the code and again saved it, and on browser I can show you the output. Okay. Notepad, I will change it now. Whether it is A B C D E, it will work. But if it is something else, then what will happen? Said, save, and again see the on browser the output uh, unknown code, because see now go to program. See, if A, you will get a message. If A B C D E, E no F, and if it is not A B C D F, then it will go to default condition, and you will get the output as unknown grade. Clear this program. Program is clear. Okay, continue further. Then yes. Now next one is if else. If else statement. If statement is fundamental control statement that allows step to make decision and execute a statement conditionally. That is, it will check the condition. If the condition is true, it will execute number of statement. See the syntax uh, for sorry syntax is uh, the syntax for a base if statement is if expression expression to statement to be executed if condition is true. Here in JavaScript, expression is evaluated. If resulting value is true, the given statement are executed. If expression is false, no statement will be executed. Now, program, see the program uh, bo- body by mistake written twice. Script line number 11 variable assigned value 12 to variable age. Now document dot write age is, it will display output as a is 12. Now it will check if age is greater than 18. Document dot write qualifying for diving else. Now I will run the program. Now your age is 12, so you will not get any output. Otherwise, if it is not, again I will modify the code. If if now see, I will change it to 20, 22, save it, and again see the result on your browser. age is 22. So it will go inside the for sorry inside the if statement, and you will get output as for qualified for driving. This way your if statement work. Okay, it will check the condition. Condition is true, go inside the loop. Condition is false, and it will come out of the loop. So initially 12, condition is false, it came out. Now age is 22, condition is true, it will go inside the loop, executed all statement. Program is clear, program is clear. If then next one, if else statement. If uh, script line number 10, script age is 22. Now displaying message that your age is 22. Then next line, age is greater than 18, displaying message that qualified for driving, else else not qualified for driving. Equals. See the program. I will modify the program equals. If. Now I will modify the code. It is 12. So if it is 12, save it and see the output on browser. 1 second. Not save. See, age is 12. So not qualified for diving. And if your age is 22 or 32, age is 32 and qualified for diving. So this way it works. How it works? It will check the condition. Condition is true. It will go inside the if part. Condition is false. It will go in else part. Okay. This way your if else work. Now next one. If else if statement. If else if statement is an advanced form of if else that allows JavaScript to make correct decision out of the several conditions. Series syntax if expression 1. Expression 1 is true, statement to be executed if expression 1 is true. Else expression 2, statement to be executed if expression 2 is true. Else, if expression 3 statement to be executed if expression is explanation 3 is true. Else, else statement to be executed if no expression is true. Means expression one, 2, 3 are false. Then else part will be executed. We will see the program on that. See title, body, and script. In a script, variable book equal to Java document dot write book is Java. Now next one is check the value. If it is a Java, output will be Java. Else if it is math, output will be math. Else web programming. Else unknown. So we will see the output. It is a Java. So output will be Java book. If now see, I will modify my input. And input I will make it as a math. If input is maths, say then you will get the output as a math. Okay? Then I will modify input again. Instead of math, it is a uh, web programming. Save it. Web programming. I did a mistake. I want to write here web. It will say that it is a web programming. If it is a something else, then It will say that unknown book. This way, your if else if work. Okay. If condition is true, it will go inside the if block. If doesn't match any, it will go in else part. Okay. This way your uh if else if else work. Doubt in this? Roll number you hand out. Roll number 59 you hand out. Answer me pass. You hand out. Okay. So I will go further. If else part is over. Now next one is while loop. While loop. Most basic loop in JavaScript is a while loop. The purpose of while loop is to execute a statement or code block repeatedly as long as expression is true. Once the expression becomes false, loop terminates. So if else same uh, syntax is syntax of while loop in JavaScript is while expression statement to be executed if condition is true. Now here program is step line number 8 val count equal to 0. Now uh, starting a loop message then write count is less than 10, condition is checked, yes, it will go inside the loop, modify the counter, then later on for line number 14 loop is terminated. This way you will get the output. Now one thing is two things are compulsory. First thing is initialization is required. Here I said that count is equal to 0. So that is initialization and checking the condition. Count is less than 10. Yes, condition is true. Then only it will go inside the loop. If initialization is not done, then it will not go inside the loop. Then next one. Even condition is correct, initialization is correct, and modification is not done, then it will go to an infinite loop. Okay. So uh, now until the condition is true, it will go inside the loop. Once the condition becomes false, it will go out of the loop. When a condition becomes false, it will come out of the loop and say loop stopped. Same thing if you want. If else, no. This while loop. While one. Now see, if I say here condition is 20, modify and to send to browser, it will not go inside the loop and it will say that started and end because it will not go inside the loop because condition becomes false. Okay. If I say correct, it is correct and this statement is not written, then it will go to an infinite loop. I will not do that. But if you want, you can try later on. Okay. So initialization is must condition. If initialization is correct and condition you do like this, it will not go inside the loop. Correct? So initialization condition is must and again modification is must. If all three things are there, your for loop work. Okay, I will go further. Now, do while loop. Do while loop is similar to while loop, except that the condition check happen at the end of the loop. This means that the loop will always execute it at least once, even condition is false. So, syntax is do while loop, do number of statement to be executed, then while statement. This is in its syntax. Now, do while statement. Uh, line number 4, step count equal to 0, starting a loop, displaying message value of current value of count in increment condition is check and output. Here started when condition is false, it will go out of the loop. I will go to program program. Now, if I say here condition 10, okay, without checking, it will go inside the loop. Correct? So, I will say save the program and send it to browser output. You will get that current value is 10 because value of counter equal to 10, it will go inside the loop, then it will check the condition becomes false, then it will say that stop the loop. Okay, that means the it will go inside the loop at least one do while statement. Modification is compulsory, otherwise again it will go to infinite loop. This statement is not returned, then what will happen? Count equal to 0, count equal to 0, count equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. There is no way to come out of the loop. So it will go to infinite loop. So at some way, there should be some way to come out of the loop. Hmm. This program is clear. These all programs are clear.
मैम ये डू वाइल वाला एक बार फिर से एक्सप्लेन करना.
Okay. Do while. Do while. Uh, see, a variable is initialized. Okay. It will go inside the loop. Condition is checked at end. Condition is true. It will go inside the loop. Condition is true inside the loop. When condition becomes false, it will come out of the loop. Okay. Program this way if you want. I will say that also. Now see, value of count equal to 0. It will go inside the loop. Correct. It will say count equal to 1. Condition is true. It will go inside the loop. Count equal to 2. Condition is 2. Inside the loop. Count equal to 3. Correct. Condition is 2. Inside the loop. Count equal to 4. Condition is 2. Inside the loop. Condition becomes 5. Count equal to 5. Condition is false. It will come out of the loop. Okay. Now, if I if I say it will be 10, then what will happen? And when it will go inside the loop, say count, displaying the value of count, that is 10, count plus equal to 11. So 11 is less than 5, condition is false. It will come out of the loop. Clear? So
मैम
this
ये प्लस काउंट
uh,
प्लस क्या है?
left left count where
प्लस काउंट प्लस.
plus count plus. Okay. Plus is to concat two strings. Current value equal value of count plus break. This statement, this statement, its a result is I want to concat current count and value of count. Okay. See the output. See output. 1 second, I will modify. value is 0, net net is there. Can you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now see here I want to display the current value of count. Okay. So that's why I wrote this statement. This count equal to see current count equal to and actual value of count. Okay. And next line is break. That is it will go to next line. So uh I will then get output as current count equal to colon 0. Okay. So basically plus is for concatenation of string. Okay. And uh, count is getting incremented by 1 on next line. So every time I will get output as current count equal to 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And when it becomes a 5, correct? When count becomes 5, that is a 5 less than 5 condition is false. It will come out of the loop. It is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do while. Now is for loop. For loop. For loop is most complex form of looping. It includes the following three important parts. First one is loop initialization, where we initialize our counter to starting value. The initialization uh, statement is executed before loop begins. Text statement, statement which will test if condition is true or false. If condition is true, then code given inside the loop will be executed. Otherwise, control will come out of the loop. Iteration statement where we can increase or decrease our counter. So here, see, same thing we, 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 we did in previous case. That is in for loop, sorry, in do loop, while loop. We did initialization at the beginning, modification or checking either at beginning or at end, and modification inside the loop. We did that. Correct. Only thing is here, all things are in at one line. झाले. Now for loop count uh, for loop count equal to 0, count less than 10, count plus plus. Uh, then count plus count. Here count equal to 0. This line This statement will be executed only once. Then count less than 10. This statement will be executed number of times until condition is false. It will continue that. Now, every time count will be either incremented or decremented. In this case, count equal to 0. So at the beginning, count become become 0. Condition is checked. Condition is true. It will go inside the loop. And at the end of for loop, this statement will be executed. That is count plus plus. This way your for loop work. Okay. Start to 0, 9, loop, stop. Okay. If you want, we can modify count equal to 0. Suppose I say it is not 10, I want only 5. So it will go to up to 5, 0 to 5. If condition is false, if condition is false, that is negative value, then it will it will not go inside the loop. Okay, start end and modification is there. You have to modify. This statement is very important. Otherwise, again, it will go to infinite loop. So, this way your for loop work. Initialization is run at the beginning. Condition is checked every time. Then, at the end of the each iteration, modification statement will be executed. That is the document dot break. Later on, your count become incremented by 1. So count equal to count plus 1. And this way it will work. Count program is clear. Any doubt? Give me attendance.
ऐका तू तिची हे करून दिली मला माहिती नाही काय हे कुठे करून दिली बारीक येऊ दे तिला आता वर बघ
Continue now. Okay, next one. Next one is for in loop. For in loop. It is used to loop through an object's property. Syntax for variable in object. That is for object basically. So statement or block to be executed. In each iteration, one property of object is assigned a variable name, and this loop continues until all property of that object are exhausted. So see the example here. Person is there. F name, L name, and age. That is name, first name, last name, and age. These values have assigned to person. Now, uh, here variable x document dot write. I want to navigate to object all properties. So for x in person, basically what is person? Person is the object. It has three properties: name, that is f name, l name, and age. So I want its values are Raju, Patil, and 25. So I want to go through all properties. So how to do it? Text plus equal person in bracket x plus space. I will take first value. So persons x, that is Raju. Then added what next value is plus added with next value 25. So actually out of for loop I will get as Raju Patil 25, and output we can see like this. See person information Raju Patil 25 and coming out of the loop. Program is clear or doubt? Any doubt?
मैम लूप कैसे चला इसमें?
Hmm. See, for loop, uh, X in person. It has properties F name, L name, and age. Okay, there are three properties. So it will go inside the loop three times. Okay, X in person. So person have three properties. So it will go inside the loop three times. So first time your text is blank. So person in bracket value Raju is assigned. Okay, plus space. Then next time it will go inside the loop. It will go and check value. It is a party. So already Raju is gone. Raju plus plus means space. Raju space. Then next one. Next one is Patil. So space. Then again it will go inside the loop. Uh, third property is age. Its value is 25. So that is added. So person space Patil space. Then next one is 25. Then number of properties are over. It will go inside the loop and it will give output. You will get the output as a person Raju name and 25 because it is the object. Okay, it is specified here name name and value name value name value, correct? So when I say for sorry when person equal to this, that means there are three proper uh, object. Sorry, there is one object and it has three properties. First one L name, L if name, L name, and age. Okay, so and its value property property colon value property colon value property colon value. So when I wrote like this, person means it has three properties, and out of that, values are Raju, Patil, and 25. Correct? Then I can go through loop accessing each property. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is person? Person is a, you can say it is a variable of type object. Okay, it is a variable of type object and it has properties and values. Okay, clear? So basically foreign is for object. Foreign is used for object. Okay. Then next one for for of loop. For of loop through the value of an iterable object. So again, it is a take the example uh, object is car. Correct? It has three values. It is a string basically. It is a string. Okay. Now x of car. So it will take one value and display the output. See here, it is a your car is again an object. You can say it is an object. It contains three values. Uh, string string one value two and three. Uh, In previous case, it is also an object. Correct? It is an object, but uh, and here also it is. Hmm. Now next one is continuous statement. The continuous statement jumps over one iteration of the loop. Continue, continue statement breaks one iteration. If the condition is awkward, the continue will next iterate in a loop. One sec. I want to say something. Okay. And break statement. Break statement jump out of the loop. So continuous statement, see the program, continuous statement, both are combined together. Here, for loop, if condition is true, it will continue, and if condition is true, it will break a loop. So there is a difference between continue and break. Continue means one iteration will be uh, stopped and it will continue with next iteration, and your break means it will come out of the loop. So we will see the output. See first one, continue. When it will when a condition, when number is 3, okay, so that part will be skipped and it will continue. And when it is a break, and when value becomes 3, it will come out of the loop. That is the difference between continue and break. Clear this? So others are break, function, return, val, try, catch, and throw. We will see that later on in this JavaScript program. Uh, try a block of statement on which error handling is implemented. That is, if error occurs, how to handle that. For this, we will write try and catch block of statement that are executed when an error occurs, and true to true and error. Basically, all three are uh, related to handling error. Okay, we will see that later on, not now. Uh, so almost all, yes, all statements, that is the if else conditional statements, are completed control flow statements are ex- uh, explained. Anyone have doubt in this? Okay, yes. Which slide assess assessment assessment roll number 6 said show me previous slide. Which slide previous means this? Answer me. You want to take a snapshot? Okay, take roll number 6. Want to say something? Say. Roll number 6. Speak now. Roll number 6. Which slide you want? Table 1. This break. Okay. This one break function return val. Okay. You want to take a snapshot. Break means say this or program. Pause. Pause to. Okay. Your snapshot that are over. Can I stop lecture? Can I leave the meeting? Okay. I will leave the meeting now.